everyone. Today festivals are coming and we have Raksha Bandhan coming up.
Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sister. Every year, the sister ties a Rakhi to the brother and the brother promises her that he will protect her no matter what.
So we are going to make an eco-friendly Rakhi and we have a great idea with our cupcake liners on the side.
We are going to make this kind of Rakhi today. I'm going to cut strips only on the sides of the cupcake liner. And see, it's looking like a sun.
Now with this spotted cupcake liner, I'm going to make out a flower. So I'm going to use this and keep on folding it 2-3 times and then cut a curve out of it and make it into a flower. See, it looks like a flower now.
Now we're going to use this ribbon and stick it to the bottom of this like a thread. I'm going to use some Fevicol or glue.
You can use any glue you have at home. Now let it dry so it sticks properly. I have a green cupcake liner and I'm going to use this to make a leaf. Look at this leaf. So now we are going to flip this over and decorate it with the flower we made. So I'm going to flip it and I'm going to use Fevicol. And remember to put only one dot. See how nice it looks?
We are going to use some frames over here and we're going to decorate this by sticking it on this flower. If you don't have a frame, you can just use these grains to put them on top. Now we're going to use these grains to decorate it on top of the frames.
Now I'm going to put these grains.
Now let's flatten this and let it dry for some time and our Rakhi is ready.
So doesn't it look like the flower is in the sun? I hope you enjoyed our video. I still have one more thing to do. Dada, give me your hand.
I will always protect you, Arya.
Thank you, Dada.
If you like watching us, do like our video and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to share it with